Some people might have a little issue getting the 3 explosive kills. I'm gonna explain it slightly in this video after the gameplay here. So if you want to find out how to do that and you're having issues with it, just skip forward to there or just hang around to get there at the end of the video. But before we go any further, if you're new to the channel, please drop a like on the video and feel free to subscribe. Easiest way to help out the channel. It's free. And I'll see you at the end of the video. I'm gonna pause it real quick. Alright, so I've killed the first 3 guys, killed the tank and the other 2 guys. So as soon as the guys start running down the steps, I'm gonna start counting, but I'm gonna be counting at a slow pace, like 1, 2, 3, 4, and as soon as I get to 5, I'm gonna shoot the barrel. It's like 4-ish, 5. But you have to shoot the barrel at the perfect time to get all 3 of them. If you don't, you're just gonna keep on missing. So let's see if it works. 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go. All 3 got it. See up there, got all 3 in the green. So that's how you do. That's how I kind of got through it. You know, just kind of count to 4, 5-ish, slow pace. You know, let me just kill these guys real quick. So hopefully that helped you guys. I'm sorry. Hopefully that helped you guys.